Hello, welcome to Use Instincts Book Fam. Let's see what we have today. My mommy did this. I'm in the Elsa costume today. Okay, so you call it strawberry leaf. Wait. This is not anything to read with. A pencil. A paper, and wait, another pencil. Okay, so let's draw a tulip. So go like this, go like this. Oh no, I didn't erase. I erased. So I restart my tulip. How does a tulip look like again, Dad?
Oh, it's got like the petals go in like a little cup. Like you're making that.
Like this?
It's missing one in the front. That's very challenging to draw.
How do we
That's
do
beyond my
the
level.
one on the front?
I don't know, but you could put the stigma in the middle.
Can you show me how to draw a tulip? How it look like?
I think your level's more advanced than mine. But the stem is straight and narrow like that. The peduncle. Move it up a little bit so people can see the bottom of the peduncle. Oh, that's not peduncle anymore. You're making. Okay, so then you got your node and your leaf coming out there.
And you make it like this. You do the stem, you do the leaf. You can also watch it while doing one too. And do the same as what I'm doing. I'm doing the grass. I'm making it rain. And I'm making the wind as it blows. Just for right now. Oh my goodness, I need the eraser. Hey, how do you do the front pedal?
I don't know.
Just
That's
show
a
me
super extra level.
just show me a picture.
I don't have one right now. That might be for the next episode.
Oh yeah. So it's done for today. I just need to make the drop. Wait. So like you color the drops lightly. Like very light as you can. Not like you keep them white. And goodbye. I hope to see you later.